another trouble ni Mama.
We went to Chiang Mai, Thailand. Since this time, wala pang direct flight from Manila, we took the Cebu Pacific Manila-Bangkok flight. Then Bangkok to Chiang Mai via Thai Airways. Since first time kong mag-Thailand, kaya hindi pwedeng palagpasin ang food trip. Kaya our first stop is at Magic Food Point. It's just located at the arrival area of the airport. It's like food court version sa atin, where you can taste different Thai cuisine. Ang unique lang dito kasi kailangan mong bumili ng cash card doon sa entrance. Then, yun yung ipapambili mo doon sa mga resto. Here, we transferred na to the gate waiting doon sa next naming flight. Another first time kong sumakay sa Thai Airways. At ayan, natuwa kasi ang luwag ng legroom. May pakumot. At una din sila.
ทุกคนมีความยินดีต้อนรับท่านสู่บริการเอื้องหลวงเที่ยวบินที่ TJ 164ซึ่งจะพาเดินทางไปยังท่าอากาศยานเชียงใหม่ค่ะโดยเราจะใช้เวลาในการบินประมาณ
And complimentary food on board. Finally arrived, Chiang Mai. Daling araw pa ako umalis ng Manila. Around 5 p.m. Narating rin sa wakas. Kaya good thing as of today, may direct flight na sa Cebu Pacific to Chiang Mai. We stayed in Novotel Hotel and Resorts. Nung medyo nakapagpahinga na, we went to their famous night market on a weekend. From exotic foods, souvenirs, clothes and accessories, food trip at massage, meron lahat dito. Sa sobrang haba ng night market na to, magbaon ka ng maraming pasensya sa lakaran. Sabi sa mga nakausap namin, on a weekend lang to. Chiang Mai is located in the northern part of Thailand. Kaya medyo province yung ambience pag andito ka. Parang Clark, Pampanga yung vibes ng Chiang Mai. If another shopping din yung hanap mo, Dito malapit sa airport, yung Central Plaza Outlet Store. We went also to the highest point of Thailand, the Doi Ithanon National Park. It's a 2-hour drive from Chiang Mai. Relaxing view and forest yung mostly madadaanan nyo. Dahil medyo mataas na lugar na siya, bring your jackets and umbrella. Medyo foggy and maulan doon sa area na.
Oh, ang lamig. Lamig.
Sasakay pala tayo neto, no? Lipat. So, kailangan lumipat ng sasakyan para makapunta sa Twin Pagodas. Reference, ito yung entrance fees. Ilog. Medyo nag-expectation versus reality kami dito kasi sobrang foggy na wala ka na halos makita. So di namin masyadong makita yung Twin Pagodas. Ganito sana siya kung maganda yung panahon. Overall, ang ganda rin ma-experience ang Chiang Mai. Sa mga nagbabalak, buti na lang meron ng direct flight from Manila via Cebu Pacific.